sequence characters, we also have quantifiers, which are also useful for checking for patterns while using regex. So, the difference between quantifiers and sequence characters is that quantifiers are used to match with multiple characters at the same time. For example, the plus sign is used to specify one or more characters. The star sign is used to specify 0 or more characters. The question mark specifies 0 or 1 character, and you can also use curly braces to specify the exact number of times of occurrences you want to check. Similarly, you can specify the minimum and maximum times of occurrences within the curly braces. By default, these values are set to 0 and infinity respectively. So, taking the previous example, we are going to check for the regular expression small t followed by one or more alphanumeric characters. So, you can see that I have done res is equal to re.findAll, and we are going to pass the regex a small t followed by \w, which stands for alphanumeric characters, and the plus sign means that I am going to check for all substrings which start with small t and are followed by one or more alphanumeric character in the sentence sent. On printing, you will get the output as a list with the values the, because in the given sentence there are two occurrences which start with small t and are followed by one or more alphanumeric characters. Now, if I have a sentence which says today's date is 18th August 2020, tomorrow will be 19th August 2020, I can also use the curly brace format to check for dates within the given sentence. So here we have re.findAll, and the given regular expression is r\d, which stands for an alphanumeric character, a digit. \d, as we know, stands for digits. So I'm going to check for minimum 1 or maximum 2 digits, then followed by a hyphen, and again followed by a digit, which is \d, again which occurs minimum 1 time and maximum for 2 times, and then followed by a hyphen. Then again we are going to check for digits using \d, and here we have the value 4, which means that we want the year to be a digit which is equal to 4 digits. So we want a 4-digit number which stands for the year, and we are going to check for this given regular expression in the sentence sent. The output would be a list with both the dates that are specified in the sentence sent. So, this is how you can use the various quantifiers along with sequence characters to format and make your regular expressions and check for matches in given strings.